Hello, my name is Kinzang Gyelmo and I'm studying in Stanley College. I've took the course in Individual Support Certificate 3 in Aging. So while studying here, I met a lot of teachers, like starting from Vishnu and everyone who helped me a lot. And I had a lot of issues because I'd never been studied in aged care before, so I literally have no idea what was going on. So when I came here, I have a good introduction to the course. I got to know new things, the word terminologies and everything. It was really good. Stanley College is based on doing practical stuff rather than theory. So during my stay here, I did my first aid and my manual handling. During my manual handling, I learned everything which I had to learn in the aged care. So while I went to the aged care facility, I didn't have much trouble because we already knew and we were really equipped with everything that we need to know. So and I was placed in Aegis Carrington under Hamilton. So I went there, and during my first day, usually I was supposed to observe, but then because I was well equipped and I was prepared for, I did my first shower on my first day, and it was really exciting, but it was really nerve-wracking at the same time. But the day went by and I learned new things, I met new people, and overall the best part is like I get to know resident, which is the best part. And the good thing is that I did communicate really well. So one of the residents also recommended me at the facilities. So if you're looking to study for the aged care, please choose Stanley College. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.